Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video I'm talking about the Spore finance. The Spore finance holder is doing a big mistake at this time friends. That is why I decide to make a video for my viewers, for my subscriber, that what should we do at this time. It's time to take a profit. It's time to make a profit with the Spore finance coin. Please don't do this mistake, and friends, be safe from loss friends. For more this kind of news and updates, please if you're new, click the subscribe button and like this video. Anyways, let's start the video friends. First of all, we talk about the currently at this time price of the Spore finance coin. So as you can see here, the currently at this time price of the Spore as 0. That's not mean that the price is absolutely 0. No, the price is very low. That is why the price is showing here is 0 friends. Don't worry, I will show you the price and this video friends. As you can see here, this time the price change occur in the Spore finance, and the last 1 hour, only the last 1 hour price change is negative, except after the last 1 hour, the last 1 day, the last 1 week change as going very positive friends. But a lot of holders doing a big mistake. Don't do this mistake and be safe from loss friends. As you can see here, let me show the mistake. As you can see here, at this time the last 20 hour price hit is also in the fast, and at this time the fast also going the Spore finance coin. So a lot of holders doing a big mistake on this time friends. They see the small fast occur in the Spore finance coin. When they see the fast in the Spore finance, so they want to sell Spore finance coin. Absolutely, that's not mean that when the fast when the fast start, when the price is going down, then you sell it. No, that's not mean. You have to hold your coin. You have to wait for the next pump. You have to wait for the next jump of the Spore finance coin. As you can see here, I know on the basis of technical analysis, I'm telling you that after this fast they again take a high jump friends. After this fast, the big pump is coming soon, so wait for it. Don't sell Spore finance coin at this time friends. And friends, if we look the price change occur in the last 1 day, I mean in the 24-hour, positive 17.18% positive change occur in the Spore and the 24-hour, and the highest price of the Spore finance is 0.000001 USD dollar friends. Same like that, the current price, as you can see here, the price is very low. If you want to invest in a Spore, so absolutely I think it's the best investment. It's the best idea for all of you to invest in a Spore finance. I'm sure that Spore finance give you good amount of profit in the future. My prediction is about Spore finance is very positive. What's your prediction? Please share in the comment box, and kindly don't forget to subscribe Abhi's Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates. Thank you so much.